Tesla is the biggest car company right now. Tesla's mission is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. Elon Musk created the EV trend, and now every car maker company is joining the movement. But why don't we have an electric motorcycle by Tesla? In this video, we'll show you the latest rumors on Tesla motorcycles, so make sure you watch this video to the end. The motorcycle business increased a lot in the past years. Companies like food delivery or dispatch riders are reaching their customers on two-wheelers recently, and it is the time when other companies are entering the business. Tesla could build everything, but why haven't they produced motorcycles yet? A reporter asked Elon Musk in 2018 if the automaker would ever get into electric motorcycles, and the CEO responded, "I actually used to ride motorcycles when I was a kid. I was into dirt biking for like 8 years or something. Then I had a road bike until I was 17, when I almost got killed by a truck. So we're not going to do motorcycles." If his opinion changes, we'll answer the question later in this video. While he owns the biggest electric car maker today, Elon Musk did not start Tesla. Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning founded Tesla back in 2003. The main objective was to produce the Tesla Roadster, but the budget was not enough, so they asked Elon Musk to join Tesla as an investor. Elon Musk invested $6.5 million into the car maker, although the company remained in stealth mode until July 2006, when it revealed the Roadster. Elon Musk was named CEO in October 2008, and the rest is history. If Tesla comes with a motorcycle on the market, they'll be not the first to do this. BMW has just entered full series production of its CE04 electric motorbike. The CE04 model is a futuristic model with a powerful motor, also with powerful acceleration. BMW claims it can reach a speed of 50 km per hour or 31 miles per hour in 2.6 seconds, which can be compared with an expensive car. The BMW motorbike will come with 42 horsepower as well. But BMW is not the only company joining the motorcycle EV business. Zero Motorcycles is a company which has for years been in the game, and their sales were up 21% up this year. This shows that people are more interested in EV motorcycles. Founded in 2006 in a Santa Cruz, California garage by a former NASA engineer, Neil Psyche. Their goal was to innovate the motorcycles industry, creating a unique range of sports motorbikes, all only electric fueled. Each bike's range is determined by battery capacity, speed, and riding habits. The Zero SR model is capable of over 220 miles, or 354 kilometers in the city, and 110 miles, or 177 kilometers on the highway. Zero FX and Zero FXS models feature an optional modular power pack system that allows batteries to be swapped in under a minute. But if there would be a competitor for Elon Musk, Damon Motorcycles is the perfect candidate. Damon Motorcycles is a Vancouver-based electric motorcycle startup that announced their Damon Hypersport Premier electric motorcycle. The $40,000 sports bike hadn't yet entered production, but the pre-orders are open for a limited edition of 25 premium bikes. After that, Damon opened orders for 2 new versions of the new colorways. They completed a $3 million funding round. It sounds like a normal bike company, but let me tell you that the motorcycles can reach a top speed of 200 miles per hour or 321 kilometers per hour and a highway range of 200 miles, 321 kilometers. Damon will use a Copilot 360-degree advanced warning system, which uses cameras, radar, and non-visual sensors to alert riders to threats. The sensor is powered by BlackBerry QNX technology, also collects the tag's traffic behavior, road conditions, and rider intent data. The company claims that the bikes will contain new tech that would be a first for the electric motorcycle industry. We're also really excited to know more about this project. Elon Musk was not that excited about a Tesla motorcycle, but why would he promote an electric ATV, which is not that far off as a motorcycle? The Tesla Cyberquad is a battery-powered 2-seat ATV announced in November of 2019. It's supposed to be a sidekick to the elusive Cybertruck, so it's not officially on sale yet. We see that Tesla is working on the Cyberquad, an electric dirt bike that wouldn't be that hard to produce. We know that Musk builds rockets for a living. In the past, Musk overpromised a lot, so we can be more optimistic about a motorbike. How dangerous can the motorbike be? Tesla Model S can hit 60 miles per hour in just 2.28 seconds. For a motorbike, this is too fast. But Tesla is not afraid of new challenges. We shouldn't forget that they have the best engineers. If someone can develop a fast but safe electric motorcycle, that's Tesla. Designer James Gawley designed the Tesla Model M, which is inspired by the elegant line designs of the Tesla Model S, and it's adapted to fit into a sport touring motorcycle silhouette. The minimalist design hides or reimagines functional elements like the foot pegs, the charging port door, or the rear view mirrors. The highlight of the motorbike is the giant screen. Tesla is well known for their giant screens in their cars, so they'll probably stay to their tradition on the motorcycle as well. Whatever, we'll talk more about it later. We can expect from Tesla only the best performance. The motorcycle owners could enjoy a long ride thanks to Tesla's excellent batteries. Tesla's new 4680 battery looks amazing. The new batteries will purportedly store 5 times as much energy and cost half as much to build as the 2170 lithium-ion cells Tesla currently uses in the Model 3 and Model Y, so we can be sure that the Model M will cover daily rides. Rumors said that the mirrors on the Cybertruck are designed to be easy to remove by owners, so we can predict that this will be the new trend in the next years. The Model M will not come with side mirrors. Instead, it will come with a camera, which allows the driver to see everything that's going on behind him. It'll help the drivers on the highway to overtake slower vehicles more easily. A big advantage is that the Model M will be fully electric, contrary to the normal motorcycles on the market. For the people who love the sound of a motorcycle, they probably wouldn't like the Model M, but like on the cars, an artificial sound will make your motorbike sound like a normal one. The Model M will benefit from the same UI system which we see on the cars. The touchscreen will be familiar to people who already have a Tesla car. The system is built to be easy to use, so don't worry about learning the UI system. It's like a phone. The touchscreen is made of waterproof materials, and this way the screen can handle bad weather. Furthermore, the screen will contain day and night modes, so the driver will not be distracted by the light at night. The bike will also have a GPS, speedometer, battery level, and energy consumption integrated. Like the Tesla cars, the Model M will come with mobile app connectivity, which allows the owner to see the battery level of their motorbike and a lot more useful functions. We see a lot of potential in the Model M, and we hope that the bike will be soon available on the market. Please let us know in the comments what you think about the Tesla Model M.